Being well is your natural state of being, but through your experience, you have taken on many beliefs that are contrary to that. And we wish to say to you that you can claim your nature of wellness. You can redevelop and reform your belief in this essential truth. And so that is what we wish for you to play with your focus on some, is the finding of the basis and the rebuilding of the knowing of the truth that when you are in alignment with the love that you be, when you are in alignment with the love that you be, all of the health issues will begin to fritter away in your memory. They will not be so strong a knowing. You can claim your knowing of your health. And what we wish for you to do is to notice those moments when you are feeling your best, to notice those moments when you are feeling great ease, and to really solidify them. Bring them into form with you more strongly. Write about them. Talk about them. Talk about how well you have been feeling in whatever moments you are feeling well. Notice, look for the signs of your perfect, more health. Yeah? Look for the signs that health is reclaiming you. And we wish for you to notice, to pay attention, do whatever it is. Writing, talking, we would even suggest playing with pictures for yourself. Pictures of yourself, pictures of others, whatever it is that helps you know, yes, I feel that way. And we would even invite you, when you are noticing a physical symptom with a certain part of your body, and your attention has been drawn there to notice it, we invite you to send it love, and then we also invite you to scan your body and find a piece of your body that feels well, that feels at ease. And place your focus there as much as you can. And even just doing this a little bit, every little bit that you do this will bring more wealth into your being.